Are you searching for the ultimate kitchen game changer? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is exactly what busy home cooks need to simplify meal prep. This incredible kitchen gadget replaces 9 different appliances, from a pressure cooker and slow cooker to a yogurt maker and sterilizer, all in one sleek unit. Imagine clearing counter space and consolidating your cooking tools with just one device. Plus, with 15 customizable smart programs, cooking everything from perfect rice to tender stew is effortlessly simple, even for beginners. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its premium stainless steel inner pot, offering superior durability and a healthier cooking surface compared to non-stick alternatives. This isn't just another kitchen appliance, it's an investment in reliable, safe, and efficient cooking for years to come. If you're looking to buy the best pressure cooker or upgrade your kitchen setup, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is a top contender. Check out the Amazon link in the description below to get yours and start transforming your cooking experience today. It's perfect for anyone wanting to cook delicious, healthy meals faster, making it an essential appliance for modern kitchens. For an unparalleled cooking experience and the best kitchen upgrade of 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is our absolute top recommendation.